Namaskaram. This is me, Jim Broughton. Welcome back to Decode Malayalam, your friendly guide to learning Malayalam the fun and simple way. In today's video, we're going to learn something you use every single day. Literally. Yes, we're talking about the days of the week in Malayalam. Ready? Let's get started! Days of the week in Malayalam. In Malayalam, just like in English, we have 7 days in a week. But here's the twist. You might hear short forms and longer traditional versions. Let me explain both. Monday is called Thingal. But when people refer to it in full, they say Thingalarcha. Here, the word archa means week. So basically, it's like saying Monday of the week. Tuesday is Chova. Full form, Chovarcha. Quick tip to remember, Chova sounds a bit like chew. Just imagine chewing your way through a busy Tuesday. Wednesday is Budhan, or Budhanarcha. This one shares a root with the planet Mercury, just like in Sanskrit and Hindi. Thursday, Vyasham, or Vyasharcha. This one's a bit tricky, but you can remember it as V for Vyasham and V for vacation prep, because hey, the weekend is near. Friday, Veli, or Veliarcha. It sounds soft, doesn't it? Friday is also considered auspicious in many Malayali homes. Saturday, Shani, or Shaniarcha. This is named after the planet Saturn, like in other Indian languages. Sunday, Nyayar, or Nyayararcha. This one is unique. Practice saying it slowly. Nyayar. It rolls off the tongue once you get it. Try saying the days with me now. Repeating out loud helps you remember them better. Rewind and practice if needed. No rush. So, now you know how to say the days in Malayalam. Give yourself a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning Malayalam in fun and simple ways, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Decode Malayalam right now. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Namaskaram, and see you in the next video.